Did you know that dolphins are among the most intelligent predators on the planet? Today, we're diving deep into the world of these incredible marine mammals to uncover how they use impressive strategies to hunt, communicate, and survive in the oceans. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our content. Let's explore the genius of dolphins together. Dolphins are not just fast and agile, they are incredibly intelligent, with large, complex brains comparable to those of great apes, including humans. Their ability to learn is astonishing. Dolphins can master new tricks, recognize patterns, and even communicate using specific signals. Studies show that they possess a high level of self-awareness and even display behaviors suggesting empathy, cooperation, and a sense of humor. A famous example of dolphin intelligence is their use of tools. Some species, like bottlenose dolphins, have been observed using marine sponges to protect their snouts while foraging in rocky seabeds. Dolphins are masters of group hunting. One of their most well-known tactics is creating bubble nets. In well-coordinated teams, they surround schools of fish, blowing bubbles around them to trap their prey. Confused and encircled, the fish become easy targets. Another fascinating strategy is shoreline fishing. Here, dolphins herd fish onto sandy banks where they get trapped. With incredible precision, the dolphins then launch themselves to catch their prey, ensuring a plentiful meal. But their collaboration doesn't end there. In some parts of the world, like Brazil, dolphins even work with human fishermen, helping drive fish into their nets. In return, they feed on the fish that escape. Dolphins have one of the most complex communication systems in the animal kingdom. They use a variety of sounds, including whistles, clicks, and pops, to communicate with one another. Each dolphin has its own unique, signature whistle, much like a personal name, allowing other group members to identify it. Dolphins live in groups called pods, which range from a few dozen to hundreds of individuals. These groups rely on intense social interactions. Dolphins help injured or sick members of their pod, often supporting them to the surface so they can breathe. They also display empathy, forming deep bonds and caring for one another over long periods. This cooperation is crucial during hunts. Dolphins often work together to encircle schools of fish or coordinate attacks from different directions, ensuring group success. Dolphins are well known for their curious and playful nature, which also reflects their intelligence. They interact with objects like seaweed, bubbles, and even boats, often just for fun. These playful activities not only showcase curiosity and learning but also help strengthen social bonds within the group. Dolphins in captivity have been observed mimicking humans and even creating their own games, such as passing objects to one another in an organized manner. Few animals in the world use tools, and dolphins are among them. A notable example is the use of marine sponges by female bottlenose dolphins in Australia. They place the sponge on their snouts as protection while foraging on the ocean floor, avoiding injury in rocky areas. This behavior is not instinctive but learned and passed down to future generations, demonstrating a social culture and knowledge transfer. Dolphins demonstrate remarkable problem-solving abilities, both in the wild and in scientific studies. In experiments, they can solve complex puzzles and even find creative solutions to challenges. In the wild, dolphins adapt their hunting strategies to different environments. In deep waters, they encircle prey in groups. In shallow waters, they herd fish onto sandbanks. Dolphins have a long history of interaction with humans, often working together to hunt. In places like Laguna, Brazil, dolphins help fishermen by driving fish into their nets. In return, the dolphins feed on the fish that escape. There are also many stories of dolphins rescuing swimmers or guiding boats away from danger, reinforcing their reputation as friendly and protective animals. Dolphins have what many scientists refer to as culture. Different populations of dolphins exhibit unique behaviors not seen in other groups, indicating distinct traditions. For instance, some populations use sponges, while others do not. Some hunt in one way, while others develop entirely different methods. This suggests that, like humans, dolphins have cultural variations depending on their environment. This is crucial for hunting and navigating the vast oceans. Additionally, they use echolocation to see in the dark or murky waters. By emitting high-frequency clicks that bounce back as echoes, they can pinpoint prey with incredible accuracy, even in challenging conditions. Another fascinating aspect of dolphins is their emotional connection. They form deep social bonds, care for one another, and even show signs of grief when a group member dies. This social behavior is also essential during hunting. Teamwork requires efficient communication and mutual trust, which dolphins excel at. They are also incredibly curious and playful, which, in many ways, enhances their intelligence. These playful behaviors often help them sharpen their hunting and communication skills. Unfortunately, these amazing predators face numerous threats, from pollution to accidental fishing. Dolphins' intelligence and hunting strategies make them crucial to the health of marine ecosystems. They help maintain the balance of fish populations and serve as important indicators of ocean health. Protecting dolphins is vital not only to preserve these fascinating creatures but also to ensure a sustainable future for our oceans. Dolphins are much more than simple marine mammals. They are intelligent predators, exceptional communicators, and highly cooperative social partners. With every new discovery, we become even more amazed at how much we can learn from them. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of dolphins, leave a like, share this video, and tell us in the comments, what was the most incredible fact you learned today? See you on our next adventure in the animal kingdom.